As we take a live look at pinpoint Doppler radar across the South Plains, we're looking high and dry out there, not even a cloud outside for most of us, but you do notice a few scattered showers and thunderstorms out here across the far eastern terrain of New Mexico as well as further up into the Texas Panhandle as well. Thanks to a ridge of high pressure currently sitting, dominating the state's weather, you can see not much activity across the state of Texas. This ridge of high pressure is directing all the airflow from the south, from the southwest over to the northeast, bringing some pretty impressive heat temperatures across Oklahoma and parts of Kansas. So they've been dealing with the heat advisories as well as most of the state of Texas, but it's keeping all that monsoonal moisture off into parts of New Mexico and Arizona. But we're looking high and dry for the next week or so. You can look at these mesonet temperatures. Our highs today were in those mid to upper 90s, but they have fallen down back to the upper 80s, even still some low 90s out there for the majority of us. So again, with the heat and the heat index values still not too bad, still in those upper 80s and low 90s with some mid 90s across the south and southwest, with Lamesa and Seminole currently feels like 94 degrees in those areas. Now, as taking a look at those weather headlines for this upcoming week, will that ridge? Yeah, it's going to be dominating our weather. It's still going to be in control for the next 7 days or so. That means sunny and hot conditions out there as well. Stay hydrated as well. Those UV indexes will be high, so wear the sunscreen too. Isolated storm chances, any kind of relief will be in our far western, northwestern counties, and it's not looking too good, but again, just find any kind of spot to air condition because it's going to be pretty hot out there. This Bob Mills sky cam looking to our southwest, looking at the clear sky and pretty pleasant evening setting on tap for us around the South Plains. Now, your current futurecast taking us through this evening into early tomorrow morning, still looking at those clear skies out there, a few clouds off to our northwest, and then it's by Wednesday afternoon or so. That's when the models are trying to pump out some scattered showers and isolated storms across the far eastern New Mexico. Those may be strong enough to affect our western areas by Wednesday afternoon or so, again on Thursday as well. But again, it's very, very slim, and most of us won't really see a drop of rain at all. By Thursday afternoon or so, still looking at some scattered showers, like I said, in our far northeastern New Mexico into the northwestern South Plains or so. But by Thursday evening into early Friday morning, we are clearing out and skies are looking dry. As far as those rainfall totals heading into early next week, well, about 21/100ths of an inch expected here in Lubbock. Some higher totals you see across the northern South Plains into eastern New Mexico and the Texas Panhandle as well. But again, this is pretty far out, but we're going to have to deal with the heat over the next week or so. Those high temperatures for your Wednesday, I should say, still in those upper 90s, 97 here in Lubbock. Could see some triple-digit heat across the rolling plains with Post to Spur over to Paducah around 100 to 101 degrees for your forecast high. Some upper 90s off to the northwest as well. So anywhere you look, find the air condition, wear the sunscreen, and stay hydrated. Tonight, we'll see a temperature of 71 degrees, clear and mild conditions here in Lubbock. Winds from the south-southeast, 6 to 12 miles an hour. And for your high on Wednesday, once again, very hot, very toasty out there, 97 degrees. 5% chance of rain in our western and northwestern counties. Southwest winds over to the southwest, 7 to 14 miles an hour. Your extended forecast now, well, 97 for your high on Wednesday. Isolated storm chance, very slim in our northwestern, western counties. 96 for your high on Thursday. Sun and clouds mixed out there. Friday, once again, an isolated storm chance in our northwestern counties thanks to the monsoonal moisture this time of year. Those mid-90s continue all the way into early next week with lots of sunshine, some partly cloudy conditions out there. So wear the sunscreen, like I said, stay hydrated, find the air conditioning spot, and then those overnight temperatures in the low to mid-70s.